How to fix Gmail app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing temporary glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Gmail, and make sure that the Gmail application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. Additionally, open Settings and tap on General, and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Gmail and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear cache from the application. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then open Gmail and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for manage your Google account. Tap on it and go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for sync Gmail. Also, go back to settings and then on general and then on iPhone storage, and make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space, as low storage can stop emails from syncing. You can also go ahead and delete unused files and apps in order to free up some space. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then in settings again tap on battery and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for low power mode if enabled, as battery optimization may block syncing. And just in case, if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply try to reinstall the Gmail application on your device, and then once you reinstall it, open it, and by now your Gmail app should be working just fine. If not, then you can also go ahead and check for Gmail server status, as sometimes Gmail servers are temporarily down. So these were a few ways on how you can fix Gmail app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.